I guess I should spread those piles out a little more. A year ago, I could almost pet that mama cat. I think she's gone back to the wild side. It's a good use of year-old beef liver. I'm not a big fan of beef liver when it's fresh. At least somebody's getting some use out of that Massey Ferguson tractor. Putting fuel into the crankcase. When I discovered that, I didn't want to work on it when I was mad, so I let it sit there. Thought about it for a while. Then I made a good study of it, found out how it has to come apart. Whole front of the engine has to come off to get at that injector pump. Bolts come through from the back side with no access cover. So that reignited my anger. I just didn't want to work on it while I was mad. That's how you get careless and sloppy. So anyway, the cats have adopted it as a hideaway. Like to get those tamed down. We've got orders that people would adopt these if we had them tamed down.